fortress in Europe. And Colin, watching it over Duxford, a US Army Air Force's fighter station, of course, allows us to recall the presence of the Americans, not just here, but across the whole of East Anglia with the 8th Air Force.
Yes, the impact of the arrival of the 8th Army Air Force must have been quite something here in East Anglia, which back in the 1940s was a very remote part of England. The first attack was conducted by the 8th Army Air Force from the craft and underwood country. And the leader of that flight was actually Paul Timmins, a name that would be familiar to you because he went on to pilot the Enola Gay, which at the end of the war dropped the bomb, the atomic bomb, on Japan. The aspects of the daylight bombing rate, of course, was that they were aiming for precision bombing. However, in Europe, we've seen what conditions can be like. The weather conditions are nothing like California, and also getting attacked by the artillery, the flak, and the German fighters certainly reduced the success of those raids.
Yeah, we need to emphasise these were daylight bombing raids. Unlike RAF Bomber Command mainly striking by night, the 8th Air Force was attacking by day, German industrial targets, transport and resupply networks and so forth.
Protect itself, hence the name the Flying Fortress, but as I was saying a few moments ago, the German Air Force quickly determined where the weak spots were, frontal attack from beneath as well, and gradually, as the new models came along, there was much more armament. And the losses, together with the support of, particularly the support of the P-51 fighters, the losses gradually were reduced.